My topic for RPP is Just Dial. What What is Just Dial? Just Dial is an Indian company providing search service all over India over the web, mobile and SMS. Users call a common number and simply tell about the service they are looking for. Text and email alerts are then sent to the users listing down the best possible options available around them. Foundation. Just Dial was founded by VSS Money and today he is the managing director and CEO of the company. The idea sparked in his mind when he began selling advertisements of listing for United Database in India for its yellow pages in Delhi. He became an entrepreneur in 1992 when he set up a search company, AskMe, with two partners. The partnership did not last long due to the difference of opinion and soon he sold his stake in AskMe to his partners. After leaving AskMe, he wanted to start a new company with the same idea. However, Mr. Vani was not able to start a company for almost a year. The company finally started providing local search service over the phone in 1996 under the Just Dial brand and launched their internet and mobile internet services in 2007. He is the founder of the company. Just Dial launched Surplus Engine with the Element showcasing their vision of going beyond. It was introduced at its corporate event held at Mumbai on December 7, 2013. These services are aimed at enabling Just Dial's users to undertake several day-to-day tasks conveniently on a single platform. Just Dial is one of the search engines in India which facilitate the transaction between consumer and seller through its online platform. The services included in Surplus Engine are order flowers, books, doctor's appointment, laundry pickup, courier pickup, grocery shop. Growth. In the beginning, Mr. Money started the company with a few pieces of borrowed furniture and rented computers, a 3x-feet garage which he took on hire in a starting capital of Rs 50,000. In fiscal 2012, Just Dial addressed over 25.43 crore search queries from millions of users across platforms. As of March 31, 2013, Just Dial had 7,457 employees working with them. In December 2013, they introduced IPO and it was a great success. Just Dial shares have done remarkably well in IPO. The stock has more than doubled in the last 12 months. Just Dial's total revenue was 271.61 crore and unconsolidated restated profit after tax from continuing operations were Rs 47.08 crore as of December 31, 2012. The company launched a new service through which customers can make bookings for restaurants and places. This graph shows the visitors to the Just Dial website. Online food ordering. Just Dial's online food ordering service allows users to order food online from restaurants listed on the site. Through online food ordering service, users will be able to browse the restaurant's menu and place their order online. Food is delivered to the address. Confirmation of order is sent to the customer via mobile and email, and the payment is collected at the time of the delivery in cash. Just Dial mentions that it doesn't charge anything over and above the restaurant's usual food prices. Currently, this service is available in 16 cities including Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Pune and others. Working. Just Dial is a listing company and receives around 1.9 million search queries every day on its site. Based on keywords the customer is looking for, the list of service providers is passed to the customer in the nearby area. The competition between the vendors is controlled by the payment made by them. The higher is the amount paid, the more leads they get. This shows how they work.
Just Dial Search Plus. Just Dial is not just a search engine, but a search plus engine. Save time, save money, and experience convenience like never before. Hungry? Order food from your mobile, desktop, or phone. Log on to justdial.com. Click on Restaurants. Select your cuisine. Choose your restaurant. Click on Order Food. Choose from the digitized menu or the most ordered items. Fill in the details. Submit and you're done. Food delivered home instantly. Table reservation? Here you go. Unsure about availing a table at your favorite restaurant? Search for the restaurant of your choice. Click on Book a Table. Select the date and time, the number of people, submit, and you're done. Table reserved. Or doctor's appointment? Do not go through the hassles of calling the clinic. Just a couple of clicks and you're done. Search for the doctor. Click on Book Appointment. Select the date and time. Submit and you're done. Appointment booked. Or not just this, there are many more. Order groceries, order medicines, schedule a laundry or courier pickup, and more. Amazed? This will amaze you even more. Just Dial's Shopfront. Experience an amazingly simple way to discover price. Search for the product that you want to buy. Get the list of vendors. Check out the trust factors. What's more, even get to know the different offer prices. Select the vendor of your choice and buy right away. Just fill in your details, make payment, and get instant delivery. Now, with Just Dial Search Plus, go beyond. Events, bus tickets, hotel booking, book a cab, book a test drive, AC service, air tickets, movies, books, DVD rentals, pest control, and much more. Just Dial is not just a search engine, but a search plus engine.
Monetizing. Just Dial mainly earns revenue from the customers who advertise with them. It had more than 221,000 paid advertisers and received more than 364 million such requests during the year end. As Just Dial receives the entire payment in advance from advertisers, it has zero debts on its book. It also has the massive cash on hand, almost Rs 600 crore. They also earn revenue by the payments made by the vendors or sellers who provide their services through the website. Just Dial also have the biggest success story in year 2013 in terms of stock marketing listing. Despite stock market volatility and most investors sitting on the sidelines, the company made an impressive debut. The company had raised over Rs 208 crore through issue of 39.37 lakh equity shares to anchor investors including Goldman Sachs India Fund, HSBC Bank Limited, Birla Sun Life Trustee Company Private Limited, and etc. Superstar Amitabh Bachchan had also invested in the company. Just Dial successfully closed its initial public offering by getting twice number of shares it was offering to sell. The deal is notable for two reasons. Firstly, the numbers 173 million shares sale is only the third successful IPO on the India's major stock exchanges in 2013. Secondly, one of the beneficiaries was Bollywood icon Amitabh Bachchan, who has owned 62,794 shares or 0.1% of Just Dial since February 2011. After the close of shares, Mr. Money's wealth netted 87 crore by selling 15.57 lakh shares in the IPO, holds 30.28% equity valued at Rs 1,241 crore at Rs 1,328 crore. Just Dial's Rs 950 crore IPO, a pure offer for sale in which Money and investors sold 1.75 crore shares, is the largest on Indian market in 2013 and one of the biggest by an Indian internet company. It was oversubscribed by 12 times. The investors earned 850% return on their investment by selling the shares in the IPO. But more than the wealth created, Money was waiting for 14 long years to get Just Dial listed. Since 1999, when he took first tentative steps towards a listing, till now we have taken at least 6 shots for getting IPO. Competition and challenges. There are various competitors within the online local business search segment with similar offerings. Players such as Sulekha, Ask Laila, Get It, Jutse, and Ask Me operate within the same space. It also faces competition from the portals such as Zomato, Bob within the restaurant and lifestyle segment. The roadblocks that the company is facing varies from the not being able to control and filter the telephonic spam calls from the competitors to not able to expand its services proficiently.